Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some washi tape from the washi tape shop. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in showing you guys some different washi, and of course, I said yes because I'm a collector and I use washi tapes a lot in my junk journals and planners. And I've also heard really great reviews about the washi tape shop, so I'm excited to be trying them out for the first time. And so this will be my first impression on the quality and designs. Also, I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this package in the mail and it just got here literally like 10 minutes ago, so I'm not wasting any time seeing what they sent me. I did request a couple of washi collections and I did kind of mention my style and interest, so I have no idea what they actually sent me. The washi tape shop was also very kind to offer my viewers a 10% discount. So if you see something you like and you want to try it out, I will leave my discount code up on the screen as well as in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have a little notepad here that I can use for some swatches. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. It has not been opened. So, okay. How should I do this? Okay, it's bubble wrapped, which is always a good sign. Let me actually just kind of pull this to the side and I'll go through things one by one. So, looks like we have a bunch of like washi stickers. These look like they're all botanical. Actually, flip these around. And I love botanicals. It's probably like the most, I guess, used theme in my junk journals is like botanical themes. Okay, so all of these collections have different names. So how many do we have here? There are, I think, let's see. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different packs here. I don't know if these are all of the packs that they offer in this style or this like botanical theme. And actually what I'll do is I will go, because I don't have the website up in front of me, is I'll go back after, and when I'm editing this video, I will put the name of each collection up on the screen for you guys. And I'll also leave direct links to each of these collections. So here it's a diary, and I'm not going to pull out every single one. I just think that would make this video super long. It's Narcissus. I think that's how you say that. I'm not sure. It's yellow. I think this one it's blue. I can't actually see it. Actually, let's go ahead and open this one up. I really like when stickers are clear. They have like a clear backing. Yeah, this one it's blue. So this is what I'll do right here, so you guys can see it a little bit better. So look at all these really beautiful stickers in this pack. You can make a whole collage with these. So these are really pretty. Okay, so it's blue. I'll go ahead and set these off to the side. Again, I can't say that word for some reason, but these are the white ones, and then it's yellow. It's a diary. It's purple. And these are a piece of flower and then the name. It's tulip. Ooh, these ones look really pretty. It's red. And it's pink. So these are really fun. And how many do you get? Okay, so all of the designs are on the back. And I'm not sure how many you get in each of these little packs, but it's definitely more than what's on the back. So I'm assuming there are duplicates. So those are the sticker packs. Now let's get into some, oh, they sent me quite a bit of washi tape rolls. Okay. So look how pretty that's packaged. I want to try to save that paper too. to use in my junk journals. Okay, I save everything. Let me see if I can open this without ripping it too much. Okay, not gonna happen. That's okay. Okay, this is one of the collections that I believe I requested. It looks very similar. So these are, again, like botanicals, plants. So this one is, looks like a snake plant. We have some rosemary, and I will swatch these on the paper. I just kind of want to look at them real quick. Okay, so these look like individual stickers, washi stickers on these that you can actually peel off. I love that. So like the little snake plant is one sticker. Let's do another one. I think I want to do this, maybe this time one. These are really fun. And it looks like the pattern repeats. How many are in each pattern? Let's see, let's start at the basil. Okay, so there's that many different plants on here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 different plants in pots on this washi strip. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. This one looks like it is in squares. You'll see. Oh, okay. Yeah. So each one is like an individual washi sticker. Oops. So here are all of the different washi stickers that you get on here. So I will take off a couple and put them, oops, I keep wanting to take the outside off. That's okay. Oh, this is really pretty. And they're all not like just square, there's different shapes, it looks like. This is really fun. So that's this one. Okay, I'll set that off to the side. Then we have this one, which looks like the first one out of this collection that I showed you guys with the plants, the potted plants. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this one has like die cut stickers or individual stickers that you can put on. These are really pretty. These ones have a gold foiling to them. Ooh, I love that one. This one right here. Very beautiful. This is exactly what I asked for, so I'm super happy with this one. I want to see what this one looks like on the page. I'll do one more. Okay. And I will also be using these in some junk journal with me's. So you'll probably see these washi tapes again. Look how pretty those are. So that was the third one from that botanical collection. I'm not 100% sure on the name. Again, I'll leave it up on the screen for you guys after I go back and look at the website. All right, next up, okay, this one I know was one that I had requested. And I believe this is I think it's called Waves of Rebun. And I was really in love with these online when I saw them online. Yes, so super happy they sent me these because these are gorgeous. Okay, so you get 4 different washies in this collection, and they are a little bit wider than your standard washi, and they have this beautiful like ocean waves print, but in like a, I want to say like a Japanese style. Whenever I see waves like this, I think of like Japan. I think that's what it's meant to be because it has like cranes on it, and just like the style is it looks very Japanese, which is awesome because I'm actually building a Japanese themed junk journal. So these will look perfect in there. So let's go ahead and do some swatches of these washies. All right, guys, so here is the waves of Rebun. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but look how gorgeous these washi tapes are. I absolutely love them. So far, these are my favorite. So this one has some gold foiling on it. This one has silver foiling in the ocean waves. This one also has gold, and they're just really unique. I don't have anything like this. And again, I love like this style of like almost like cartoon waves. It's very beautiful. So I'm really excited to incorporate these in that Japanese themed junk journal that I'm building. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next collection. I have no idea what this one is. Trying to see through here. These ones look like flowers. This one got a little looks like smashed in the box, not a big deal. I just fixed it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this collection. And the 2 in the middle have gold foiling on them. Oh, actually this one too has a little bit of gold foiling. So I'll go ahead and swatch these as well. All right, so here is this beautiful collection. I really love these ones with the brown on them, especially this one down here is my favorite out of this whole collection. Very pretty. Okay, so now let's move on to the very last. And I am cutting straight to when I'm putting them on the paper just because I don't want to be sitting here and like trying to open them up, because that does take quite a while because I'm doing so many different washi tapes. So that's why I'm just like cutting straight to putting them on the paper. Ooh, okay. So this one is definitely a surprise. Well, the other one was too, but I did tell them that I like vintage styles a lot. So I think maybe that's where they were going with this, because I do use like music sheets a lot in like my junk journals, and it has like this vintage look to it, as well as this one with like some, looks like some handwritten note print on it. And then this one is so fun because it has books on it. It's like a bookshelf. So that's really neat. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch these. All right, so here is the Lost collection, and I really love it. I love like the dark colors on this one, and I especially love this little bookshelf washi set. I could see myself using this set the most, especially these three, in the fall. There's just something really cozy about it, especially like the browns in it. I really love it. All right, so my overall first impression of this washi tape is that it's very beautiful. I love every single design that they sent me, but I would have to say out of everything that they sent me here, that the second collection is probably my favorite. It's just so unique, and I don't have anything like it, but it's also a very close runner-up with the plant stickers in the pots. I think those are really cool as well. I actually have a plant journal where I keep pictures of all of my house plants and their care. It's kind of like in a traveler's notebook style, and I know that these stickers are gonna look awesome in that, so I'm really happy about those as well. But I would have to say this one is my favorite out of everything that they sent me, and they're all just very beautiful. And I will also say that these are wider than, I guess, like the standard or like typical washi. Like I have some Tim Holtz washis here, and they're very thin compared to, okay, that's a really small one, but here's like the largest. So I really like the fact that these are a little bit wider. I don't know about how most of their washi tapes are, if they're this wide, but I really like this, especially for in use of a junk journal. You could put them on the inside of the binding, or like the inside or the center of a page, and it could cover both pages, especially like this one and how wide it is. I really like that. And I also thought it was really unique that all of the washi tapes, the ones that are on a strip, have backing to them. I don't really have a lot of washi tape in my collection that has that feature, and I don't know if that's because the reason why the backing is on it is maybe to keep the washi tape from losing its adhesive backing. Maybe it lasts longer with this paper backing on it, because most of the washi tapes that I have just stick. They don't have any sort of protective backing. So maybe that's a feature that makes it, I'm guessing, last longer in storage, because washi tape does eventually lose its adhesive or like tackiness. All right, guys, so that's it for this unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I can't wait to use these in my junk journals, especially this set. Again, I'm just obsessed with it. It's so gorgeous. But in case you are, again, interested in trying any of these washi tapes out, or maybe if you want to browse the website and see if there's something else you might be interested in, again, I will leave my discount code for you down in the description box, as well as the link to the washi tape and each individual collection that I showed in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I hope you guys have an amazing day, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.